I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you email campaigns in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. To set up email campaigns, log into Dealer Admin and select Settings in the side menu. Then select Dealer. After that, select Email Campaigns in the top right. Below you'll see a list of available email campaigns. Click on Preview to preview a campaign. This campaign is all about home automation. As you can see, Dealer Admin has already added a high-quality image and text that is ready for you to send. At the bottom, you'll see your company logo and information. When you're ready to send this email, just click Send. As you can see, this automation email will be sent to 21 users. For each campaign, Dealer Admin will only send an email to customers who are not already utilizing that product or feature. In this case, Dealer Admin will only send this email to customers who are not already taking advantage of Z-Wave home automation features. Finally, press Send to send this email campaign. As you can see, there are several pre-configured email campaigns that cover a wide variety of products and services. Since I sent an email campaign today, I can't send another one for 7 days. Email campaigns in Dealer Admin help save you time and money by doing the hard work of gathering images, texts, and email addresses for email campaigns to your customers. In just a few clicks, you can send a high-quality marketing email and gather a warm lead. And that's email campaigns in Dealer Admin.